Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a default card in Apple Pay on iPhone Air. To set a default card in Apple Pay on iPhone Air, you will need to go to the Wallet app, then select a card. You can see I just have one, but you should press and hold, then you can drag the card across the stack. I'm gonna show you that on a different iPhone because there I have more cards. So as you can see right here, I have multiple cards and I can just press and hold on a card and drag it, and the one that I put in the front is gonna be my default card, like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.